Hello friends, my name is Anil and today you will watch 23 phrases to use instead of saying goodbye. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon so you may keep knowing about us. So guys, without further ado, let's start this video. Bye. Kitty waves and says, bye everyone. Goodbye. We just want to say goodbye to you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care now. Farewell. This is a farewell party. Cheerio. Cheerio. Have a good trip. See you. Okay, see you tomorrow. I'm out. You guys are so noisy. I'm out. Take care. Take care, girls. Have fun. Take it easy. Take it easy. We should talk later. I'm off. Well, whatever. I'm off to bed. Gotta go. Come on guys, we gotta go. Good night. Good night. Have a sweet dream, honey. Bye for now. Bye for now. I'll call you later. See you later. I'm busy now. See you later. Keep in touch. Keep in touch and talk to you soon. Catch you later. I have to go now. Catch you later. See you soon. See you soon, Jane. I gotta take off. I can't say I gotta take off. Talk to you later. I'm tired, so talk to you later. See you next time. Sorry, I can't stay anymore. See you next time. Have a good one. Sounds great, Tom. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good one. Have a good day. Have a good day, darling. Or you may also say, have a nice day, darling. So guys, I hope you loved this video. Please like this video and share this video with other friends. Please comment and let us know if you didn't like anything about this video, or if you want to suggest anything. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so you may keep knowing about us. So have a nice day. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.